as you saw, I drilled a hole in the swing arm and put a long bolt in to mount my shock. Now I know this isn't the most proper way of doing it. Eventually what I'm going to do is drill a bigger hole and put a sleeve inside of the aluminum, a sleeve tube, so that it's more rigid. But that'll work as a proof of concept. Inside here we have polyurethane bushings, and it's made it quite sturdy. So what we're going to work on now is making a plate of steel that goes up and wraps around and encloses this entire area. That way we can go and mount our shock. And we're going to cut it out of this piece of steel here. It's got these bars, which I'm not going to use, but this steel here will work good for our backbone brace. Alright guys, boy, my brain is going 90 to nothing thinking about this. So I'm starting to believe that all my bracing has to be done with 1-inch tubing. And as you can see, it's kind of taking shape like that. And that's going to reinforce hopefully our shock and our seat point. Hopefully. I ran out of PVC to test all this. So hopefully this is going to be the final rendition of the back end. I think that'll work. I do believe this is going to solve a lot of my problems first and foremost. So I've been having an issue with my Ryobi grinder, and the fact that the 1.5 amp hour battery can't handle more than 3 minutes of grinding. So we bought the corded version. Ah, yes. Now we can get something done. Sorry I had to do it, but I did it off camera just because I was in the mood and wanted to weld. But this piece is fully welded in there. I gotta go over my welds just to make sure they're good and strong, but that's in there. So brace. So we're at the point now where we can go ahead and start making our motor mounts, our real ones. And I started by using this 1/4 inch piece of steel. We're gonna make our mounts out of this. motor mounts are in. There's more refining to do, but I'm gonna let you off on this video now, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. If you like to see the progress on the Diecycle, subscribe and hit like and hit that notification bell. It'd be cool for me because, you know, YouTube and the algorithm and all.